Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mercedes-Benz G-Class versus Range Rover. Follow along as I break down performance, luxury, off-road ability, and ownership costs with clear, useful examples. I will describe driving impressions, cabin materials, tech features, and common maintenance items. I want you to finish confident about which SUV suits your lifestyle, whether you value rugged capability, refined comfort, or long-term value. Assessing performance means looking at engines, weight, gearing, and suspension tuning to see how each SUV behaves on road and trail. The G-Class feels robust with immediate torque and durable construction, while Range Rover balances comfort with agile handling thanks to advanced air suspension. Acceleration numbers matter, but so do throttle response and steering feedback. I'll point out trade-offs you'll notice daily and on long drives. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep sauces secure and fit neatly in vehicle coolers, which is perfect for road trips in your SUV. They seal tightly, stack cleanly, and save time when you travel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When comparing luxury, consider material quality, ergonomics, and usability for real-life tasks like hauling gear or kids. The G-Class shows iconic design and robust materials that age well, while Range Rover often provides a softer, quieter cabin with more tech conveniences. Think about cargo needs, rear legroom, and roof clearance for racks or tents. I'll help you match interior choices to everyday use and travel plans.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.